Alam mo ba yung mga simpleng ginagawa mo araw-araw, pwede talagang mag-shape ng future mo. Ang tanong, are your habits helping you or slowly destroying you? Kung gusto mo mag-level up sa life, kailangan mo ayusin ang daily habit mo. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang 7 simple habits na pwedeng totally magbago ng routine mo. And yes, kaya mong simulan agad after this video. Hi guys! Welcome back to this channel. Ako ang Wealthy OFW and dito pag-uusapan natin ang self-improvements, motivation, simple habits para maging best version mo. If you're new here, don't forget to hit like and subscribe kasi every week may bagong tips, keep you motivated and moving forward. Number 1, wake up early and consistently. Hindi ibig sabihin kailangan ng 4 a.m. club ka, pero ang importante consistent. Kapag may structure ang gising mo, mas organized ang buong araw mo. Number 2, morning movement, stretch, push up, or kahit quick walk. Hindi kailangan maging gym run, pero movement sets your energy high. Number 3, mindful morning, no phone for 30 minutes. Kung ang unang hawak mong cellphone, chances are consume ka agad ng info overload. Try mag-journal or mag-meditate instead. Number 4, daily learning. Read or listen to 10 to 20 minutes. Success leaves clue. Kapag nagbabasa ka at nakikinig ng podcast, parang pinapakain mo yung utak mo ng tamang nutrient. Number 5, break down tasks to 3 most important. Instead of writing 20 to dos, piliin mo yung top 3 na pinaka-importante. Do them first, guarantee na productive ka. Number 6, practice gratitude. Maglista ng 3 bagay thankful for today. This rewire your brain to focus positive kaysa problema. Number 7, reflect and plan tomorrow. Bago matulog, mag-reflect. Ano ang natutunan ko today? Ano ang pwede kong improve? Then, iset mo agad yung gagawin bukas. Ngayon, gusto kong itanong, ano ang 7 habits na to na pinakagusto mong simulan ngayon? Comment down below. Gusto kong makita kung alin ang pinaka-relatable sa iyo. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At tandaan, hindi kailangan maging perfect, pero kailangan maging consistent. See you sa next video. Keep you growing, keep moving, and keep winning.